Hey guys, I want to show you how to Pack-a-Punch on Blood of the Dead, and surprisingly, it is a lot easier than the way that you Pack-a-Punch on Mob of the Dead. It's going to cost 10,000 points to open all the doors that you need to so that you can get the parts that you need to get Pack-a-Punch access. When you're starting out from spawn, you want to go up the stairs and into the Model Industries building and out that door. Then you want to make a quick right and go into the New Industries building and then follow this around through that tunnel. You need to get into the power building because you need to turn on a power switch in this building and also on the other side of the island. Now I've got all these doors opened already so that I can just zoom through here in camera mode, but here is the first switch right here. After you have that turned on, you want to just turn around and go right back out the way that you came. So go out the power building, go through this tunnel here, and then back into the New Industries building, and then back out in front of the Model Industries building. For this next part, you might want to have a decent weapon. You're going to have to access this catwalk right here. Now this door is free once you get the power turned on, but you're going to be attacked by zombies that are going to be filtering in through this tunnel. Once you go up and around and through this area, you'll see a cool little cutscene with Brutus and some hellhounds. It's really awesome. I showed that at the beginning of the video, but this area right here is the recreation yard. And once you pass through this, you're going to go up into this part of the jail, and there is a door on the left right here that you will have to purchase. And then you can head straight down this end towards the warden's office. What you'll need to do is get to this end of the jail and access the Citadel tunnels. And you're trying to get down the spiral tunnel to the other power room. I'm just going to speed this up right here really fast. And here's the old power room where we had to go into Afterlife and zap those power panels. But now we just walk right in. The door is already open and you can flip this switch in this room. Brutus is going to spawn in and you need to kill him. He's going to drop a key, and this is going to be the first part that you pick up to start building the shield. You have to have the shield to access the Pack-a-Punch. Then you need to pick up the door piece for the shield, and one location is going to be right here, right outside that power room. There's going to be another location right here around the corner in the Citadel tunnel. And then the last location is going to be up the spiral staircase right here. These locations are pretty close to where the original locations were on Mob of the Dead. And here is what the door piece actually looks like in the location on the stairs. The last and final piece for the shield is going to be located on an Afterlife machine. And this machine here by the warden's office is where it has been spawned in every time. It could change though. They call this essence. You need to go pick up essence off of an Afterlife machine. And once you collect it, you will be done with the shield parts. And you can see here in the HUD inventory there are 3 buildable table locations, and 2 of them are in the same spot. The one on the docks is the same right here, and the one by Electric Cherry is the same, but the third one has moved. It's not in the cafeteria anymore. Instead, it's located in the new Model Industries building, and when you're leaving this building going to the power building, it is in this tunnel right here on the left. After you build the shield, you need to get some zombie kills with it and also head to the roof. It doesn't matter where you get the kills at, but the roof location is the same. You go through the infirmary in this door right here. This door is going to be open. You won't have to pay for it. To get kills with the shield, you need to pull it out. So hit L1 and then hold down right trigger, and that is going to zap electricity at the zombies. This will kill the zombies. You can see their souls flying up, and this is going to be charging the key up with their souls. You only need a few kills to charge up the key, and you'll know that it's charged because it's going to be glowing bright blue, and your character often will say, hey, the key is charged. Next thing you need to do is use that charged key and shield to power up that voltage meter right there. Once you do that, these ghosts will come in and spawn in the Pack-a-Punch. The way you zap the voltage machine with the shield is you need to pull it out. So hit L1 and then hold down left trigger. That's going to put the key into the shield. And then you want to hold down right trigger. That's going to zap that electricity or spirits, whatever that is, at the voltage meter. Make sure you're not standing too close to the voltage meter or it won't work. You need to be standing about a couple of feet away from it. Once that's done, yeah, Pack-a-Punch will land, and it's the regular 5,000 price, and you can double PAP for 2,500. The camo is just the regular colored camos that we've been seeing on Black Ops 4. It looks a lot like Black Ops 3 camos. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!